Hi guys, today this is like a little helper from the last video we did. So right now I'm just gonna go into survival and turn my cheats off. So cheats, but I have to actually have them on. I'm gonna mute it so that that noise doesn't always come up. So survival mode, and now we're in survival. Okay. So last video I did on this, I can't remember. It was actually a while ago. So you guys are gonna have to help me. And I lost my diamond sword. Where could it be? Oh, it's nighttime. I'm going back to it, actually. Okay. So last video, what did we do? Because I cannot remember. It's going to take me. If you can remember, please help me by leaving a comment and also subscribe. So here I think we're gonna have to get another diamond sword because we've lost that other one. But I've got a stack of diamonds, so it's not too hard. But there we go. Got my diamond sword here, and we can put those in there. So just like that. So last video we went out and explored another island. So this video we're going to do something else. First I'm going to make full diamond armor. So first we're going to do the helmet, and then we can do the chest plate and the boots. Okay? So now we have the chest plate and the boots. So now we just need the leggings. So then we have the leggings, we have full diamond armor, and now we won't have to die anymore, well, as much. Yep, here's our oak boat. So we're just going to go to sleep, and in the morning, we're going to go explore that island again. Okay, so it's morning time. Now let's go back to that island. Because I haven't been playing this world for a while, so I can't remember everything. So I remember this is where we did it from, here. Because there's trees on that one. And I watched that last video I did. We have one there, and one there. So I don't know if we've gone to this one yet, but I think we haven't gone to this one. I don't know, but we're just gonna try this one. That boat's empty. I know we've been to it, because I haven't watched that whole video. I've only watched some of it. So we're just gonna go to here, and oh look, there's another island over there, and down there. That's actually very interesting. There's more islands than just these ones. Maybe one of those islands lead to full land. Then I won't have to do all that. That would be great if one of those led to full land. Okay, so there's a chest in here. I know that. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Okay, with this, yes, I have not been here yet. Okay, so now we can just get all this. Iron and emerald, that's so good. Emeralds you can't really do anything with. If you look in the creative things, you can't really do anything with emeralds. But they're nice to have. Like you can make them for decoration with emerald blocks. But not really anything else. Pretty much it. Okay, so we're gonna have to probably be able to just do it with our fist. Because we're sinking underwater to... Oh my god, I've been here. No, I've been here before. I never knew that. So, we have to go... Yeah, we've been here before. It's too bad. So we're gonna go actually back to get... Oh, there's an ice one over... Yeah, we're gonna have to go back to get... To go to, get... an axe to cut down some trees. Because we do have a lot of trees on here. Actually, no, I think we should go to that island over there next. This island just down here. Nope, we're just going straight past and... Wait, what was that? I'm going to have to have a look. Okay, that's just okay. So we're going just down to here. Yeah, it's just stuff. Okay, we're gonna destroy some items, and hopefully a polar bear does not kill us. If they do, we're gonna be in big trouble. We're gonna have to run away, get back onto our boat, and run back to our, well, sail back to our island. I think it started on that island over there and moved to that island. I know there's definitely going to be polar bears. I'm scared if there isn't. I'm scared if there is, because polar bears are actually very vicious. We don't want to get too close. Okay. I don't think it actually leaves ice. Oh my god, you can't actually get ice from this. Now I'm gonna go back to see if I can find... Oh, I might get some snow? I don't know why I would, but I might as well. So we're gonna just see if 3 is enough blocks. It's definitely not gonna be enough. We need more than 3 blocks. This actually just breaks, so we might be able to make a staircase. Yes, we can get ice now. I mean snow. Oh, I don't know if this leaves snow either. Oh my god, it doesn't leave snow either. Okay, we're just gonna go back because this is kind of useless here. So we're just gonna go. Make sure that a polar bear hasn't stolen our boat. Imagine if a polar bear did steal our boat. The video is gonna end soon actually. We're not gonna stay in here for too long and not do too much, so yeah. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna explore this last island and then we'll go back home. Then we'll end the video there and then everything will be okay. So, okay, so and at the end, please also subscribe so that I can get, so that more of you know when I release a new video, because I very rarely release them, so not many people know. I've only got 5 so far, but can you please subscribe, and then I'll be very happy. So thanks for if you subscribe. So I'm just gonna go around here and get some sand and some dirt. The sand can sometimes come in handy. Maybe some cobblestone. And then I'll be leaving. Yeah, I'm just gonna get at least 13 sand. I don't really need any dirt, but I'm getting cobblestone as well. So cobblestone's easier to get than the sand because I've got, of course, one of these. And I might even get some of this stuff that this is. So here we go. So we just do that, and we're going down, going actually pretty far down. Yeah. Okay, I've gone too far. So I'm just gonna get some of this stuff. Yeah, because now there's no more cobblestone, I don't think. Oh my god, it's too dark down here. It's way too dark. Okay. Now we'll just keep going. Oh, yep. now there's no more of that stuff. Because we're down to really far down. This can just keep going forever. But it won't, because I'm going to go back to our island soon. To our home island. I need that cobblestone. Don't know why it's not giving me that cobblestone. Ah, okay. I see. It was just a little bit bugged. So we need that. Now we can just go right back in. Okay. We're just getting some iron. We're just gonna get at least a stack of cobblestone, and then we'll be leaving. Go back to our island, and then it should be good. So we just need this one more, and we've got a stack of cobblestone, and some logs. So this is probably gonna be, there's gonna be lots more videos than just these. Because this is only some series. Remember, this is series 2 now. So it's gonna be pretty insane. But this is just like the second video. Because I haven't been doing a video on this for a long time. So you're gonna have to keep watching until I get used to it. And then we can keep going. Because I haven't been playing this world for a long time. Okay, so now we're just going to go back and do our stuff, and then end the video. So when we get back, I'll put all this stuff away, and then we can pretty much finish the video there. So there's not really much we need to do now. We got diamonds, we got gold, we got iron, we got a diamond pickaxe, a diamond sword, but we haven't explored the whole ocean yet. So, that's not what we don't need to worry about that. Okay, let's go back home. Okay, got my boat back. Now we just need to find home. I think it's just down here is home. Your home should just be down here. If not, I'm gonna have to explore and maybe even go into creative mode. Oh yeah, I like these roses. But that is a big pit. I don't want to fall down there. No one would, probably. Probably no one would. Okay. Now we just gotta find home. Where is my home? Okay. So once we get back home, I'm gonna end the video there. And then that should be done that and done that. And so we're back home, get another chest. And everything should be okay. Okay. So now we've got another chest. We can get a double chest here and put all this stuff in. Okay. So this is where we're going to end the video for now. And then in a bit, we're going to come back and finish stuff off. We're going to keep that. Okay. See you guys next time. Bye.